Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, where today we're checking out the Bayliner VR4 Bowrider with the outboard. Bayliner does offer this boat with an inboard engine of up to 200 horse, but this is the outboard version and has 115 horse installed, but can take a maximum of 150 horse. This one measures in at 18 foot 9 in length. She's got a beam of 7 foot 6 and she can carry 7 adults in comfort. I like the fit and finish of this one, especially for a somewhat entry level point. I liked how square the cockpit was. There's plenty of room in here for adults to enjoy their time on board. The backrest you see on the port hand side, that can be moved to suit any configuration you need. There's plenty of handholds, there's plenty of drinks holders, and it's good that you can also have the seat facing aft, because this is capable of skiing and wakeboarding, tubes, things like that behind you. Because this is the outboard version and not the inboard, there's a ton of storage underneath the centre seat and the aft cockpit, as this is where primarily the engine would be based in the inboard version. For the Daytona Beach Boat Show, this one actually didn't have the helm seat installed, but I was impressed with the layout of the dash and the instrumentation. You've got toggle switches for the bilge pump, the anchor light, the horn, but you've then got the rev counter, the speed, you've got a fuel gauge, you've got your battery gauge. There's a gauge showing you the trim and tilt that you've got on the outboard, and this one's hooked up to have a Bluetooth stereo system throughout. So as a price point, this one was on offer with the trailer bimini canopy cover for $34,990, and they were running a promotional offer of 10% down and only $255 per month. On the bow, you'll find storage underneath the seating here. You can also get an infill cushion and turn it into a large sun pad. There's more handholds and drinks holders. The storage under the centre piece, that could even be used as an anchor locker if you wanted to. Plenty of room in there for rope or chain, as well as the anchor itself. And notice under the handhold, the black plastic cover, that's actually a cigarette charger adapter, so you can charge up your cell phone or whatever while you're resting up in the bow. And the storage here would be great for ropes, fenders, maybe you've got a cover for when you're storing the boat, or you could throw a couple of holdalls with change of clothes, things like that. As we head back into the main cockpit, there's storage on the deck here that would be perfect for larger items such as your skis. If you're into fishing, you could even store camping equipment down here. It's a good sized storage compartment for a boat of this size and design. You'll also notice it's a non-slip deck that's on board, which is great if it's wet and also if you're barefoot. And also notice you can close the middle windshield if you wanted that extra protection, especially in wind or rain. And speaking of protection, you can see that bimini canopy cover overhead, which in my opinion is a must for that Florida sun. And in terms of performance, this one's got a fuel capacity of 33 gallons. And at 115 horse, this one should break through 40 miles per hour and she'll cruise comfortably around 26-27 mark. The estimated towing weight, including the trailer and engine, is around 3,500 pounds, making this easily towed behind most SUVs and trucks on the road today. Now to make my way down from this platform, you can see this one's got a very stylish design to it. I like that dark blue painted hull, I like the deep shine that you got from it. I like the contrast in blue and black. And this does actually come in a range of colours, and I'll include a link to Bayliner's website for this model in the description, and that way you can see all the colours and options available. I also like the fact that this trailer's got the swing tongue on the front of it. That makes it far easier to store in somebody's garage. And overall, for somebody that was looking for something that was fast and fun without breaking the bank, I think this is a great package to consider. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. I'd like to thank Bayliner and Aloha Marine for allowing me the opportunity to check this one out. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.